This is the best penny stock to trade for Thursday, and this is going to be on ticker PLRZ. That's right, my friends. Now, you may say, Sam, it's already up 100%, it's already up 200%, it's already up 300%. Well, do you know one thing you can say is that I didn't tell you that it would be up so much, right? Because in fact, if we take a trip down memory lane, guys, and we go over here about a month ago on October 26th, right, this is what I told you guys. I'm buying $20,000 worth of this $1 stock, and this is going to be on a ticker PLRZ. That's right, my friends, ticker PLRZ. Now, this is a ticker which we did previously trade from the... Bam, right? There we go. Now, where's the ticker sitting at now? 17. So congratulations, everyone. Congratulations to the people that did watch my previous videos and did so. However, there are still trading opportunities tomorrow for PLRZ. Because remember, right, what we look for as traders is volatility. And what more volatile than a ticker which is up freaking 141% in the after hours alone. So we got to analyze exactly where to get in and where to get out. And you know, the reality is, right, so many people think that they need to be early. Yes, being early is cool. Yes, being early is amazing. I was early. However, this doesn't still mean that you can't make money from a stock that's moving, because if something's already moving and it's moving with a purpose, it's moving with a reason, and the fundamentals match up, then you can go ahead and buy low and sell high, because that's what it's going to allow you to do. It's going to give you multiple dips and swings opportunity. So let's get to work. So as always, the first thing we want to analyze is going to be the why, right? Why is this ticker running to begin with? Well, there's a mixed amount of emotions and information going on as to why it's running. Okay, so first things first, right? A lot of people are saying it's running because of the news that it had today, right? What was the news that it had today? Well, they had some solid news, right? The company announced reports positive results in okay, so pretty good news. All right, I'm not going to read all this, but pretty good news. This is the thing though, this news came out at 2 p.m. the stock is running at 6 p.m. Like, what is going on, right? It makes no sense. This makes no sense, right? So this move that we're seeing right now literally makes absolutely no sense at all, okay? So now that we've clarified this, we can understand that, hey, listen, we don't want to be holding this ticker for multiple days. And what I'm talking about right now is specifically going to be a day trade. It's going to be a day trade, okay? And you know what's funny about this PLRZ move, right? I'll show you guys something else, okay? So this was October 26th, right? Then I doubled down. If you go on PLRZ, a month ago, okay? Where is this? 4 weeks ago. Best cheap penny stock to buy right now. That's right, my friends. This $1 cheap penny stock is the best penny stock to be buying right now. And this is going to be on the ticker PLRZ. That's right. Wearing the same damn hoodie in the same damn shoebox in London, okay? That's right, my friends. I'm originally from Toronto. Right now I'm in London, and I hate it, okay? I hate it. But that's another video, okay? When I first moved here, I did complain a lot, but now let's talk about PLRZ. So when it comes to PLRZ, right? You know, the reality is when it comes to PLRZ, guys, this is one of those stickers. And again, look, this place, it's a shoebox compared to my place in Toronto, right? Like, obviously, London real estate is a lot crazier than Toronto real estate, and I'm not planning on permanently moving here, so I just got a condo. My condo's okay, right? But my office space is, you know, it's not like it used to be. All right, if you've been watching my videos, you know my office used to be, I used to love my office. Anyways, moving on. Okay, we're talking about PLRZ. I'm rambling now. Moving on to PLRZ. So where should we get in? Where should we get out, Sam? And what the hell's going on? Well, the reality is one of the things I like about this ticker is it's got a low oversupply, meaning that they can't go ahead and dilute right now. I like that about it, right? So the levels that I would be a buyer though, I would want to wait until the market's open, because this is a company which they can announce dilution at any time. I told you guys this before. Dilution and raising funds and rug pulling you guys could easily be in the works, okay? I don't have to clarify myself. So what we want to be doing is we want to be trading this ticker within the market hours, not in the pre-market or in the after hours. Okay? That's it. So that's point number one. Now, when the market's open, the levels that I would be a buyer at would probably be closer to this $12 level. I'll probably maybe play 12 to 15 bucks. Okay? That's the level that I would play. Then I would probably wait for it to dip back down to the $10 to $8 levels, and I'll play $10 to $8 for a bounce to $11 to $12. Those are the levels that I would play again. And depending on how high it squeezes up, then I'm going to be able to play different levels as well. Let's say it goes to 30, right? Let's say it squeezes all the way upwards of 30. Well, if it goes all the way upwards of 30, then we can go ahead and anticipate that it's going to give us a pullback to something like, let's say 25 or give or take. Okay, let's go on the daily chart real quick. Let's see what levels it has. So we got 14. We already squeezed past 14. I don't know what the hell's going on regarding my charts, man. It's really bothering me though. Okay, perfect. 230. Yep, that's what we're looking for, guys. Okay, it does make sense because it does have a gap from, 600 down to 50. It's going to be interesting, man. Again, I don't want to be playing it in pre-market. I want to only play it in regular market hours because this is a company which can rug pull us at any moment, and we don't really know why the sticker is moving to begin with. This is not an organic reaction to what we saw earlier, right? So I don't want to be playing this within regular market hours. I'm only going to be playing it within the regular trading hours. Now, why do I say that? Because within the regular trading hours, I'm going to be able to use a stop loss, right? If I buy in pre-market, I'm not going to be able to trade it with a stop loss. Okay, do remember that. Now, if you guys want to trade alongside me and know exactly what I'm getting in, exactly what I'm getting out, check out our private community. Our private community had access to the PLRZ alert, which I posted on YouTube a while ago. I'm buying stocks every single day. In fact, I just bought a new stock, which I think has more potential than you're seeing in PLRZ. Okay, well, that's a stretch, not more potential than you're seeing in PLRZ, but potential to match PLRZ, okay? Okay, that's also a lot. I see it going up 30 to 50%. The stock that I posted in our community right now. Give it a shot, guys. Our community right now is on the biggest sale we've ever had. And also, we're the only community that offers a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Nobody else is doing that. Nobody else is doing that. You know why nobody else is doing that? Because they know that you're going to join, you're going to hate their community, but guess what? They got your money. Literally, Jimmy Goose says 5 days into the 14 days free trial and the Discord cost is already paid for. I've only been trading the swinglers, or else it would be a lot more if I had the time to also day trade. Thanks, Sam, and Amazing too. So this is what it looks like. We give access to day trade alerts, swing alerts, and option alerts. And we teach you how to take the option alerts as well. So if you've never traded options before, don't worry. Been in a few servers in my life, the rest wouldn't even fucking convert. Not just the trade quality, but the mentors actually care about you making money. Stop slacking and try the free trial. I'm not going to go through all these. You guys can read them, but this literally yesterday, or it's 2 days ago now, this Tuesday, says, thank you, Samuel, boy, and the crew. Great call around. Accounts getting ready for me to start dabbling into options soon. These are just day trade alerts and swing alerts. Last 5 days, $1,600. First day here, feel stupid for not having joined sooner. Past day, 52%. This is literally, it says yesterday, but it's really today. It's Wednesday. It says seven trial days down, 7 to go. Open a new broker account to track this Discord alerts. And if this keeps up, I'm gonna become a paid member. Thank you. Bang. 11% the past week. This is about 8K, 6K. I can't really tell how much that is, but he's been crushing it. Anyways, give it a shot, okay? There's a reason we have over 400 members come back month after month. And I'm telling you, the quality of alerts, the quality of support which you get in our community is unfreaking matched. You don't believe me? 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Next step members, 50% discount. I look forward to meeting you guys in Top Academy. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam.